Okay, so we've got a website now, and we're really kicking along here. For some people, that will be everything that they want to do from now, and they can go ahead and create pages and posts and so on. I'll do some more instructional videos on that stuff too. But for now, keeping with the theme of working towards having a fully functional um, e-commerce website, let's go ahead and install some e-commerce software. So we're going to go down here to the plugins section and then add a new plugin, and we'll go to the search plugins section on the top, and we're going to search for WooCommerce. It should be the first one that comes up. When you find it, press the install now button. And once installed, click activate. And when it's activated for the first time, it will come to a setup screen where you can input a bunch of details about your products so that it's already configured when you get to start building your website. So let's start from the top. We're in Australia. Let's just punch in some random info here. And what have we got? We're going to use both physical and digital products just for this example. We'll just take off the diagnostic information checkbox there as well. Just for ease of setup, we're going to just use PayPal as our payment processor. Stripe is helpful for accepting credit cards, but PayPal also can do that for you as well. So we'll just hit continue from there. With the shipping, I'm going to just choose flat rate shipping, and within Australia for $15. With this is locations covered that are not covered by your other zones. So, for example, you've got a shipping zone in Australia. This is for the rest of the world. I'll put in a flat rate shipping fee of $30, for example. If you don't want to ship anywhere in Australia else, then you can just deselect this option here. Moving down, our units of measurement are correct. This part here is fairly important for the purpose of our video. There are lots of different themes out there that you can choose to create a website, even a shopping cart style website. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to just install the WooCommerce recommended storefront theme. This is pretty simple because it just does a whole bunch of stuff for us, and we're going for the easiest and quickest way to get this started. So let's keep that selected and press the continue button. For now, we're going to skip this section where we connect with Jetpack. We'll come back and do that in a moment, but Jetpack is actually really cool because it lets you collect a lot of stats about visitors and generate reports to help you really grow your business. It also helps you network with all your social networking stuff as well. So right at the bottom you'll see this grayed out link, and you can click that to skip there. And what do we got here? Well, we can subscribe to something. I'm probably already on that list anyway. Or we can create a product. But this is the cool part. What I'm just going to do is import a bunch of products so you can see what it looks like. I'd recommend even doing this for somebody who has a bunch of products already, because what this does is it lays out a template for your site where you can just go in and replace the details that are in there with your own details, rather than actually having to start from scratch and explore the options that are in your shopping cart. So click that one. It just takes a minute to come through. And what this page will allow you to do is you can import products that you've created before if you've saved your shopfront somewhere else. But what we're going to do is just use this this wizard to install some example products. So click the Let's Go button and wait just a moment for it to download it and create that storefront for us. And there you go. It's actually brought us up into a part of the design tools called the customizer. You can come through this and adjust any of these details if you like, but for now I'm just going to exit. Actually, I'll publish this because it's going to make us publish so that we can keep all those changes, and then we'll exit. So we've set this up and we've got our storefront. We can just go here to visit the site and have a look at what we've got. Now, of course, a lot of this stuff is not designed for our own business. Of course, we're not selling hoodies and hats and things like that. But we can come in here and change all of this, and that's what we'll do in the next step. So let's have a quick look and see what we've got. Well, this is kind of cool because our layout's all there. We've got different categories. Our newer products have come in. Our recommended products, our on sale, our best sellers. This is really fantastic. So, I mean, let's click and see what we've got in the hoodies category. It's brought up our shop front, and look, it's even created a menu. You know, we can keep all this stuff and just change it a little bit to start building our website. Okay, we've got a hoodie here. Let's just add that one to the shopping cart. It's on sale, and we can view our cart. And there you go. We've got a flat rate shipping. Everything's set up, guys. This is so dead easy. All you got to do is punch in your details and hit your order. We'll probably get rid of that in a little while. And that's it. Guess what? You've just got an e-commerce website, a storefront, a shopping cart. What would normally cost, you know, upwards of $2,000 for someone to design for you. You've got the basis and the template for that already set up. All you got to do is adjust it, and you're off and running. Congratulations. And in the next video we'll do some customizing to see if we can make it a bit better than what we've got here for our particular topic. Okay, see you in the next video.